And today, guess what we're gonna go? We are gonna go outside to play in the snow. Okay, now I am finished. But I don't have any boots. Let's go put on our boots. Let's go. Come on, Mark. Whoa. I'm going to make a snow angel. Go up. Wait for me. There's not that much snow, but we're going to try to make a little snowman. We got 4 carrots. Daddy, Mommy, me, and my little brother. And we're gonna try to make one, so let's make one. Okay, so now my little brother is gonna put in the carrot. Come on, do it. I'm gonna hold it. Hey, where'd you? One stick for the arm. Okay, guys, I hope you will like your snowstorm. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. And have fun.